Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be about Wix CMS platform. So this is going to be about Wix store. So let's say if you have a online store or e-commerce store that you are going to create or you are creating using Wix CMS platform, then this video is for you. And so today I'm going to show you how you can add to cart button directly. So let's say you want to if you don't want to add a product grid or like a single product widget like I have shown you in one of my last previous videos in my channel. So if you don't want to add a product widget or product grid, like a grid you always add to showcase all the products. If you don't want to add that and you only want to add like a single product, but if you don't want to add a grid or a widget, you want to do it by using an image. So let's say if you want to add an image, let's say we'll add an image of watch. Let's say we add this Candy Men's watch and the same product you are selling, then you can give a separate button to it on the store, add to cart button like this. But the product and the image that's showing must be similar. So here are the settings that are the main thing here, because as you can see the only button is added. There is no product showing with it like upside, downside or left right. There is no product around the button. So here is the main thing, you need to connect it to the product that is showing as the image. So we are adding it for the watch. You can also choose a design that you want. These are customized options. Then the manage, you can go to products and manage store. So we are connected this to a watch, and then you can use this in some of the page that you want. So I hope you get it. Oh, I'm going to show you how that will work. Let's try clicking on this. Yeah, this is how it is going to work. So try using this if you want on one of your site. I hope you get it. Thanks for watching this video.